Hey guys, welcome back to another AIO miner video. Today I'm going to show new miners how to install, and if you have any previous versions, we can do that as well. Show you how to install AIO miner and how to get up and mining quickly. Because I remember when I first started, and it took me like a whole entire day to learn how to do this, and even then I was like, how does money show up? So yeah, yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Just do this quickly, right? Okay, so first head over to AIOMiner.com and you will see our super sweet website here where we have no fees. That's right, we don't take any kind of percentage of your mining with AIO Miner. With the latest version, we do offer profitability switching, which if you're new, you don't know much about it. If you're old, you're like, that's freaking sweet. And also, benchmark and miner selection. It's more of advanced features, but as you start using AIOMiner, you will realize quickly what all of these things do, and you'll become a pro, and everybody will ask you how to mine anything, and you can help them out. We are community driven. A lot of people ask, what does this mean? And really what it means is, we have a Discord, we have Reddit, we have all these things, and if there's something that you want this application to do, I want to help you make that a dream come true. Granted, hopefully you have bigger dreams, but you know, uh, open form of development. Come and chat with me, and we can, figure out what we can do to make IO Miner work for you. So, be sure to head on over and check it out. But for now, let's go ahead and download AIO Miner. This will go right here, and we'll go ahead and click on that. You can't see this window right now. It's asking me, do you want to allow this app? You say yes, and let me drag this over here. So you just agree to this license here, which basically means you're not going to be a jerk. We're not going to be jerks, right? All right. So next we'll go ahead and hit next. I highly recommend that you go to like my documents folder, only because then you don't have to run AIOMiner as an administrator, and just highly recommend the documents folder there. So I'm going to go ahead and hit next, and we're going to install AIOMiner now. We are downloading the files. Every single time you run this, you'll get the latest files that we have. And for those of you that have had previous versions, this will do an update. So you can go from 7 to 8. And we also copy over your pools automatically for you, so you don't have to reset those up. High five, yay, you have installed it. Would you like to go ahead and run it now? And something that also has been added, it's clearly not on this one right now, but it's on my other desktop. We now add a desktop thing here for you. So, yay, we finally did it. So, yeah, let's go ahead and run it now. Yes, and here it is. It's going to check for a few things, checking for new pools, new coins. The only one miner is a Windows-based GUI mining application. Man, this has been fun. So if you already know what you're doing, you click on I got this and it opens up AIOMiner, and we go ahead and start the download process of all the mining applications. But if you're new, and which this case is meant for you, you would just go, hey, I am new to mining. So you click here, and first thing you want to do is find out what it is that you want to mine. This hasn't been true lately, but things that I've been going off of. If you have NVIDIA, mine's Zcash. If you have AMD cards, go with Ethereum. So, let's just go ahead and choose one. Right now, I actually have an NVIDIA card. So, again, this is not a life decision. This is just to help you get started. So, Zcash. Okay. You're going to need a wallet to hold all of your crypto and everything. The easiest one that I found out was Jax. It's not the best one out there, but it definitely is a wallet that you can use, and it can help you get started. And again, it, it'll help you get started. So you can actually click right here, and it'll take you to this, and you can download the desktop wallet here, which, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and download the Chrome extension because I have no idea what this is going to do. I've never used it. Yep, add the extension. Okay. Adding it to Chrome. And alright, now you have a Chrome extension. I will come here. It's going to be like, hey, sure, continue. I accept whatever it is that you just told me. I'm going to create a new wallet. Express. And we are going to go after Zcash or Zec and take me to my wallet. Tips and tricks. Okay, we're going to skip that. Okay, so they're going to give you this address right here. I'm going to go ahead and copy this address. And we're going to minimize this and go back here because you're going to need it in the next step. So we say next. And it's like, hey, now that Jax is installed, let's find out what your Zcash address is. And yeah, so paste this here. That is that little small information that you have right there. I see this a lot because people like hide their wallet address. Well, yeah, you can hide it, but you can also show it too. Just by somebody having that address doesn't mean that they can steal all of your money. It's not how this works, just so you know. Okay, so hit next, and then, okay, awesome. So we just set up your first pool. If you don't know, a pool is what you connect to when you submit shares, which is the super hard math that your GPUs are solving. And once you submit enough shares to reach the minimum payout, the pool will send you portions to your wallet. So while you're mining, people just keep on looking at their wallet, and they're like, why don't I see it in here yet? And it's you have to reach a minimum amount first before the pool will send you the money. So yeah, if you need help, Reddit, Discord, GitHub, anything that you want to do. But yeah, once you click on Let's Do This, or once you hit Exit, you'll see something called Coin to Mine. Select Zcash and hit Start. So let's do this. Okay, the first thing here is the AIOMiner downloader. So with this latest version, I know you're like, man, I just downloaded this. What is this stuff? We now support 40 plus algorithms, which it's a lot. It took me a very long time to build up the configuration files, and there's just so much to it. So unfortunately, you do need to download this, but it will make your mining experience better in the long run. So we'll just give this, probably like 2 minutes or something. Yeah, we're going to sit here through the whole entire thing, and I'm just going to talk to you about it. So just so you know, I didn't say this earlier, we do support AMD and NVIDIA cards. We do not support CPU mining. AIOMiner is a GPU mining application. I see a lot of people saying, why don't you do it? And it's just, I don't like the rap that CPU miners have gotten, and I don't really want to associate AIOMiner to that kind of stuff. So, yeah, we're just going to be a GPU mining. Not really a GPU mining application, we're more of a pool manager, or something else along those lines. These other guys, Nevermore, CC Miner, SG Miner, Claymore, Phoenix, all of these guys are the reasons why you're able to mine. So just so you know that we're actually running these applications, and then we are, just helping you manage them. So that way you can mine on the fly, do whatever it is that you want to do. And yeah. So we're just about done here. It is downloading all the files super fast. Again, I know you're like, man, this is taking forever, but it will help you out in the long run. So just bear with me here. We're almost near the end. And boom, we're done. Okay, so as you can see, I got a GTX 1070 right here. With this version, we actually teamed up with whattomine.com. That actually allowed us to scrape their website, and profits are super low these days. But it's a hobby, so why not? So if you can remember from the last thing, it says, "Hey, what am I going to do?" We added a Zcash pool for you, so it's already there. Way to go! If you want to check it out, you can go to pool settings, and we can go from there. But Yeah, you click on start, and I'll do this for you real quick. The video is gonna lag, but I'll click on start. This guy over here popped up, and it shows me this worker right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop this because your video card is going to get hot, and you need to do stuff to make sure it doesn't. Which, by the way, let's wait till that gets done. You do want to have that little pause there. I know a lot of people are like, why? You want the pause there between switching algorithms, but that's for future. MSI Afterburner. Highly recommend that you have this. You want to pump up your fan speeds while you're mining, and you can mess with the core clock, the memory clock, but a lot of times people just lower the power limit so that way you're like 80% and then you're overclocking. So that way, you get more power for power, power square inch, something along those lines. You get better results in the long run. But yes, MSI Afterburner, highly recommend it, as I do in all of my videos where I'm showing people how to mine. So, that went away. I'm going to click start, and then I'm going to click on this, and then I'm going to click on stop. And if you don't want to wait the 5 seconds, click there. A user asked for that. Remember, anything that you want this to do, you hit accept. As you can see, I've never mined here because we literally just got the wallet address. But once you start coming here, about every 5 minutes, you'll see this pool update and stuff like that. And you can see your history of payouts and the settings, and all, not all pools are exactly like this, but this is just, the fly pool for Zcash. You can put in your email address, change your maximum payment threshold, make sure you read this. So once this guy right here, immature balance is basically just saying, hey, you've earned this much, but we need to confirm it. Once it gets confirmed, it goes to unpaid balance. Once the unpaid balance reaches the minimum is this. Don't do that because then they'll charge you a fee. But leave it at 0.01. Once you reach this, you can go back to your Jax wallet and you'll see it in there. And then you can transfer it to an exchange of your choice, which there's tons of them out there, and convert that, send it to Coinbase, and send it to your bank. So that's how you make money. Yeah, there's not too much more. I can go over to this in the intro video. I highly recommend the help. Just in case you want to go back to the welcome screen, in case you were like, well, now I want to mine Ethereum and I don't want to know how to set up a pool, you can come back over here and set up that. Discord support, Reddit support, report any kind of issues through GitHub. Again, we don't charge any fees for this. And this is AIOMiner 8, which is actually being released tomorrow at midnight, and I'm just making this video for you guys. So, use it. Check it out. Plenty of features for you to use here. So thanks for watching my video, and there's going to be a ton more videos for you to use and to watch and learn how to mine, how all this works. So alright, until the next video, good luck mining.